everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Health Extensions dog food. I put it in this little dish so you could see the kibble itself. It is Little Bites is what it's called on the bag. It's for like toy or miniature dogs, teacup size, miniature. I have a French Bulldog that is on the smaller side, so this is absolutely perfect for her. If you have picky eaters, which my dog is, they seem to absolutely love this. It is made with free-range chicken, coconut oil, it has turmeric, apple cider vinegar, it has no wheat, no corn, no soy, and no preservatives. So it's really, really healthy. Highly digestible. They don't have any issues with it digesting wrong or giving them upset stomachs or making them have any of those kind of issues. My dog absolutely loves it. She, like I said, is picky and she's been eating this for over a year now. It's been her favorite by far, so we have definitely been consistently getting that one for her. So the small bites themselves, great for senior dogs also. A lot of them, sometimes are missing teeth, have a hard time chewing. The small bites makes it a lot easier for them. The other great thing is this is great for all life stages. So whether you have a puppy that maybe just needs smaller bites, a senior, or somebody that's just in between that likes the smaller bites, this is just absolutely perfect. Give me 1 second and I will show you an up close of the packaging. Okay, so now that you have seen the packaging, kind of seen what it looks like, the bag itself, it is a 30-pound bag. It lasts for quite a while. We don't have to buy it super often, especially when you're using it for smaller dogs. Healthy skin and coat, I've noticed, is a big benefit. It really makes them look shiny and healthy and really active, which I love. So if you are looking for something, maybe you have a smaller dog or a senior dog, somebody who just needs maybe smaller bites, but still really high quality ingredients, I think that this is a great choice. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.